Hey, how's it? Aloha, gang. We're back at City Mill with more do-it-yourself projects, easy projects you can do at home. And today, we're talking about the Dremel Lite. It's light and it's cordless. What would people use this for?
People would use it to like mark their tools or anything like that, etch into any kind of material that they're using. I could use it on this. I could say, put my name across this as Ron's tool, those kind of things. So now I can use this thing to sharpen my tools. I add in the stone. The Dremel Lite has variable speed, so I can use it in the fine points and being able to sand and clean my points and everything up. We just take off that attachment there.
Okay, so you can use it for sharpening tools, polishing, etching, kind of a variety of different things. And what I like about this too is for all you people that get intimidated by power tools, this is kind of like an easier version. It's a more handheld version, more compact. It's like a beginner stage,
The starter point.
The starter point, Dremel Lite, this is what you gotta get. Okay, so that's for sharpening, and what else we can do?
Okay, we can also go ahead and sand things out. All I'm doing is changing the hosel out, or changing the attachment out. Finer points here on making some markings, decorating out this pot.
This really kind of helps express creativity.
We can make it all nice with this etching attachment.
Okay.
You know, it's so light, you can use it like a pencil, and you just start making your leaf design and those kind of things in there. This is what you get in the box with your Dremel Lite, all the items that you could use to get started. Then you can also upgrade yourself to more items. It's a 52 item kit.
There you go. For all you people that get scared of the power drills, this is what you need, the Dremel Lite. This and the attachments all available at citymill.com and at City Mills across the island.
Brought to you by City Mill.